What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2019 Honda Pilot and the Touring Elite trim. I'm going to be doing a walk around on this vehicle, showing it off a little bit, showing you some of the features, that type of thing. I also have another video that's going to be produced right after this, and that's going to be including the test drive and how it drives. So if you want to see that video, make sure you go check that one out. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to hit 3,000 subscribers, as well as like this video. It really means a lot to me and helps me out tremendously. So you guys can do that for me if you like the video. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this 19 Pilot. So the 19 Pilot has had a slight refresh on it from the 2018 model. You can really see that in the front of the car. If you look down here at the front bumper, you see we have an additional black garnish right here, as well as the grille is changed up slightly as well. Really resembles that Accord and Civic look now. Something also new that we have on here is we have full LED headlights. So LED low beam with auto LED high beam as well, and of course the LED daytime running light. Let's go ahead and walk around the side. Of course, we're sitting on some new 20-inch rims and tires as well. Have the LED turn indicators in those mirrors. Got the roof rails on there. Now, of course, this car comes with the push button start, remote engine start, and the smart entry system. Something else that's also new on the car is we've added the hands-free tailgate as well. So just like the Odyssey has. Very easy to use. All you need to do is put your foot underneath there. Here, let me show you. You do have to have the key with you when you're doing this. So I'm going to grab the key. And all I'm going to do, walk up behind the vehicle, stick my foot there, and there it goes. Same thing to bring it back down. Now, of course, you also have buttons you can push if you want to push the buttons. But for this, I'm just going to, once again, foot down, and there it goes. Now, you can also see a few more changes on the back. If you look right here where the reverse lights are, you can see that is also slightly different than last year's model as well. Sorry about the glare from that sun. Alright, let's go ahead and hop in here. Let me show you guys the trunk area first, and then we will hop into the driver's seat. Pop that open. Now, on the interior of the car is going to be pretty similar to the 18. Not a huge amount of differences in here at all. Of course, you have your little bit of storage right down there. Seats do fold down flat. And there's not floor mat sitting there. But just like that. Go ahead and close it. Go ahead and hop into the second row. Now, on the Elite, you do have captain seats in here, so it's not going to be an 8-passenger, it's a 7-passenger instead. The Touring also now is able to come with that same captain seat option if you like that. So, sitting in the back seat now, you can adjust how far the seat goes back and slide it. But with it in the all the way back position, I have plenty of space here. I'm 6'1", so I do have pretty long legs. But it's not a problem in the back of this Pilot at all. The center area here has some cup holders as well as little tray. Now, with it being captain seats, of course, we have our armrest here on the inside section of the chairs. Of course, we have our climate control system down there with heated seats. We also have our HDMI input, a regular AC power outlet down there, as well as 2 USB chargers as well, and 2 headphone jacks. Now, the headphone jacks you are going to get, of course, you're going to have the rear entertainment system right up here. It is going to come with 1 remote and 2 sets of headphones for you. The remote is going to look like this. Let's see if I can get this thing out of the wrapper here with one hand. Almost. Here we go. So this is what the remote will look like. Really nice remote, very small. And then of course you have pockets here, you can stick them in when you're done. So go ahead and stick those back in there. Now you actually have a little smaller pocket right in here, so that's for the remote right there. So just take the remote, stick it in that pocket. Now you're not going to lose it and you can still see it. That's really nice. The back seat also has 2 more cup holders up here, so plenty of cup holders in the second row. Let's go ahead and hop up here to the front row and show you that. Here's this window sticker on this car. 2019 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive Elite. Price at $49,000. 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 on the highway. It's the same 3.5 liter V6 as last year models as well. So let me go ahead and let me show you the whole interior first. Now, inside here, like I said, it's going to be very similar to what you saw in last year's model. Now, this home screen, you do also have this new option right here. It's the all-wheel drive and torque option. It'll show you which wheels are producing the power and all of that. And on the test drive, on this next video, you guys will see that in use. I'll leave that screen on for that. There's a few other quick things about it. Of course, you have your heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats this year. Of course, you have your Blu-ray player, tri-level climate control, wireless phone charger, 9-speed automatic transmission. This is your traction control mode right there. Tons of space in the center console area here, and of course with the cover there to cover it up. Of course you have USB power outlet there, as well as a regular power outlet right there, and then more right here as well. So plenty of options when it comes to charging your device or plugging it in. The 7-inch touchscreen radio has remained the same from the last generation. Nothing really has changed on it too much. It says I have a system update, but I just checked and I'm good on that actually. But it connects via Wi-Fi. As you can see, you have a AT&T hotspot connection as well, so if you have that, you can connect there. Alright guys, well, if you have any other questions, or if you want me to get really more in depth with the technology in the car, please leave a comment requesting that. I don't want to make it too long, but I can definitely dive into more of the features and more of the execs and features of the car if you want that. Just let me know in the comments. I'll make that happen for you. Once again, please go ahead and give this video a like. Also give my channel a subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it, guys. Please help me get to 3,000 subscribers. It'd be phenomenal for me. With that being said, thank you guys for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. And if you want to see the test drive of this car, go ahead and click over to the next video, and we'll go ahead and take this thing for a drive. See you guys next time.